This might be the only vegan meal you eat. That's a great title. Hello, how are we? Welcome back to the kitchen. It's nice to see you all again. So vegan food, it can look like anything from this, to this, to this, to this, to even that. However, sometimes we just fancy a meal that's just quick and just make and then go out on the town and do what you want, knowing that you got a full belly. So this is that. This is a teriyaki stir fry that packs in everything from your noodles, to your veg, to your protein. It's got everything. It's 10 o'clock context-wise. I'm having this for breakfast. Let's go. Pepper. I'm gonna chop said pepper. You just wanna chop the peppers into batons. We're then getting veg. It's just a set of green beans and little broccoli. I love it. Chop that and chop that. And you can change that up if you don't fancy pepper and you want more broccoli, go for that. If you fancy a aubergine, do that. If you fancy mushrooms, why not? We don't exclude any veg except cucumber. I'm gonna throw this away. Recycle your food waste. Ginge. This is what I like to call a happier man. We're then gonna prep liquor de gar. Now you might be wondering if you're new here, what the f is he on about? Liquor de gar is essentially garlic rearranged, and I put the of the to make it sound funny, and it's stuck. And smash it down. When you crush it, it's easier to peel it. Look at that, straight away, done. And then just a nice fine chop. To a wok, you're gonna put in some oil from a height to make yourself look fancy, like you know what you're doing. And then the veg goes in. Now for those who have biceps, you're probably wondering, where's the protein? And here, it is. This is tempeh. A lot of people look at this and think, why and what? But in simple terms, this is this, pressed and fermented into this. You can also make it into really nice bacon, which is mad, isn't it? That's going off behind me. Let me go look at that. Whoopa. Wagamama, if you're looking for chefs, don't hire me. We're going to add that to the fire. It's in. So I've asked the cameraman to come in again, say hello to him. I've not given instructions on this, I've realized, but essentially you're looking at this, you're making it char, you're making it do its lovely little good thing, and then we're gonna add in the sauces. While we're sitting away for the veg, chill a bit, go chat to your mum, go on your phone. Why don't you watch the top 10 Ocean's Unsolved Mysteries? It looks like the Game of Thrones wall. If you know, you know. I will let you know when it's time to make the sauce. Cut to me when it's time to make the sauce. It's time to make the sauce. Make sure that heat's down low. Add in soy sauce, agave, a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Traditionally speaking, mirin's a lot better. I just have apple cider vinegar, waste less. Liquor de gar and the ginger from earlier. Edamame. In. And then some straight to wok noodles. Udon are my favorite, but you could go with any noodles you want. Soba, rice, the little tiny thin ones. I don't know what they're called, but there, use them. Oosh. A little bit of water, about a shot glass, and add that into the mix. Essentially, the water makes steam, makes the noodles go all fluffy and crispy at the same time, and it's nice. You're gonna cook that for 2 more minutes, and then you're done. Literally, yeah. We did it. Now we need to finish it off. And we're gonna add a little bit of zing, a bit of freshness. You may think, why are we doing this? But it adds so much depth. I've been watching too much Top 10 Ocean Mysteries. It adds a lot of depth and flavor. So we're gonna add with the lamb, freshly chopped coriander, sesame seeds. And we're done. Wicked stuff. It's like the gateway meal to veganism. It's like, you got the vegan bouncer, his name's Nigel. He asked for your ID, but instead you show him his teriyaki stir-fry, and he's like, yeah, sweet, all right, you're a gateway vegan, I'll let you in. Noodly, noodly. That's got flavor. That has got flavour. It's essentially everything you want. It's got that meatiness in the tempeh. It's got all greens going on in it. The recipe's adaptable, so if you do want to add any veg you got in the fridge, do that. But yeah, another video done. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do like this video, like it, share it with your friends. If they like vegan food, even if they don't, they'll like me, hopefully. And yeah, I will see you next week for something else. Okay, bye.